What's up, everybody? Matt Maran here, and this is the gorgeous 2020 Lincoln Corsair, which looks like a smaller aviator, and that is an excellent thing. So this replaces the MKC, and I love that they're going back to real names with Corsair. It sounds great. Like the MKC, though, this is also based on the Escape platform, although this one is based on the all-new 2020 Escape. But, I mean, aside from the underpinnings, it is very, very different. Share is basically nothing. It's going to be much nicer and faster than the Escape. So the base engine is the same as the top of the line Escape with the 2-liter turbo 4 doing 250 horsepower and 275 pound-feet of torque. The top engine, though, is going to be a 2.3-liter turbo 4, basically the same one as the Mustang. It does 280 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque in this application, and that isn't even available in the Escape. There's no hybrid versions of the Corsair yet, like how you get in the Escape, but those should be coming in the not-too-distant future, and there could be a plug-in hybrid one that's even faster than that top engine trim currently. Front-wheel drive is going to be standard on the base engine. All-wheel drive is optional on that one. On the top engine, though, all-wheel drive is standard. The interior should be much quieter than the Escape because this has active noise cancellation as well as a dual-wall firewall, they're saying, and also gets lots of tech inside and looks just as beautiful as the outside. I love the interior styling that Lincoln has gone with here on these recent SUVs. And like a few other vehicles that are starting to come out here, you're going to be able to unlock and start the Corsair here with your phone instead of an actual key if you want, but a key, of course, still comes with the vehicle. And it seems to be pretty spacious. So you have a sliding second row there that goes forward and backward, a good amount of cargo space in the back there, since this has grown a little bit like the new Escape has. And it's just seems like a really nice package. So we don't have any kind of pricing yet for these, but I'm sure it should be around where the MKC is currently, maybe a little bit more, but these are going to be going on sale this fall, and yeah, so very cool to see that. Let me know your thoughts on it in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.